कि
I would cast instead of Pankaj Bhatt, I would
cast Pankaj Tripathi. in
Pankaj
that
Tripathi?
role, yeah. अरे जरा दरवाजा तो खोल दीजिए.
फिर तो
जरा
पंकज
दरवाजा
त्रिपाठी
खोल
ही
दे.
किलर है. पंकज
मैम
है.
ये चीज वीगन है ना मैम.
थोड़ा टीवी देख लेते तो मजा.
अगर आपको देखनी है एक तगड़े ट्विस्ट वाली पिक्चर तो आप सबसे पहले जाके देखिए राम गोपाल वर्मा की कौन. जी हाँ दोस्तों, अनुराग कश्यप जब पेन और पेपर से लिखा करते थे तब की ये पिक्चर, लाइक ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Can you plug your social media handles as Sudhir Mishra?
देखो मेरा @ट्रायल देशपांडे तुमको फॉलो करना है करो, क्योंकि यू नो द सोशल कैपिटल इज हाउ मेनी फॉलोअर्स यू हैव, अदर देन दैट देयर इज नथिंग. कुछ टाइम में यही होगा कि भाई तेरे को 1000 लोग जानते हैं, मेरे को 10,000 लोग जानते हैं, पर दोस्त कितने तेरे, तू कॉल किसको करेगा रात को, सोच थोड़ा उसके बारे में भाई.
टिंग टोंग.
कौन?
मैम मैं एक पॉडकास्ट सुन सकता हूँ मैम. बहुत बारिश हो रही है, अगर थोड़ा पॉडकास्ट सुनने मिल जाता तो
नहीं
अच्छा हो
नहीं, घर
जाता.
पे कोई नहीं है, आप जाइए. नहीं
क्या बात करिए, मिस्टर मल्होत्रा का घर नहीं है?
नहीं नहीं
ये
नहीं
मिस्टर मल्होत्रा का पॉडकास्ट नहीं है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
ये पैसा वैसा नहीं है?
नहीं.
वो उसमें बोलता भी है ना तो एक बार कि मैम अगर आप वॉल्यूम सिर्फ बढ़ा दोगे तो मैं इसको रेडियो समझ के सुन लूंगा मैम.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Nice. I love it when our guest before being introduced shows their why they are here, enthusiasm
Yeah.
and their credentials. Hello and welcome to Has It Aged Well. That was a quote from the 1999 film Kaun, starring Urmila Matondkar, Manoj Bajpayee and Sushant Singh. Just 3 people.
Yeah.
Probably the most limited star cast we've ever covered on this show. And to talk about Kaun with me is Urmila Matondkar lookalike Urjita Wani.
Oh, stop it. Yo, I'm done for today, really. Yeah,
And
that's me. That's me.
our guest to talk about Kaun from 1999 was someone who was not born in 1999. Were you
Not
born in?
born,
Oh, he was born in 1999.
You're 90. Oh, you're younger than me.
Not 97.
Abey, oh, so older than me.
Let me introduce you properly. You're a comedian, you're a screenwriter, you're a struggler in your own words right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty much struggling to find time to watch movies also. So it's nice to be
That's
like
true
ये पुरानी
struggle,
वाली
yeah.
के ऊपर ही बात करना है तो इसलिए.
But he's someone I've always enjoyed talking about movies on pop culture with. Please welcome to Has It Aged Well, Mr. Ameya Deshpande.
Hello.
Ameya, she is Urmila Matondkar lookalike, so then you're automatically Manoj Bajpayee lookalike.
You're what?
चीज सैंडविच है मैम.
But you've gone for a Himesh look today.
What?
Nice. Himesh look with a cap.
Oh
and
yeah,
everything,
I've gone with a black shirt and all of that. I was trying to color coordinate myself for the podcast.
Oh,
actually.
wow.
Oh, wow.
Good, good. This is on video also.
Nice.
I
So
thought
it's
कि मैं अगर cosplay कर सकूं,
nice.
but then I was like, I don't have a tie,
Hmm.
I don't have
Oh.
corporate clothes, and I don't have a red मतलब raincoat also during Mumbai rains.
You know Mohammad Anas, the comedian,
Yeah.
has
Cosplayed
cosplayed on
twice.
this
Yeah,
episode
for
twice,
Josh he
Yeah.
did, no?
No, no,
No,
no.
for,
कोई मिल गया एंड क्रिश.
कोई
Oh,
मिल गया
yeah,
Krish,
कोई
yeah.
मिल गया के लिए तो भी उसने रेगुलर मतलब ब्लू शर्ट वगैरह पहना था, बट फॉर क्रिश उसने वो जैकेट खरीदा, उसने वो हेयर खरीदे, उसने
We're
थंब
not trying to
लिया.
shame you, Ameya. It's okay. What
Yeah,
you want is
yeah,
fine.
Time to cosplay Kanna from Krish 3.
The whole spandex look you have to do.
But Ameya, 1999 Kaun, very interesting movie. RGV's follow-up to Satya, actually. Satya comes out in 1998. Early Ram Gopal Verma, of course, very interesting filmography. You're also someone who's studied filmmaking. Like you went to a film school.
Yes, I did
इसमें
go
हंसने
to.
वाली बात
नहीं
क्या
हंसने वाली
बस?
बात नहीं. I'm like
हंसने विस्लिंग वुड्स में गया
हाँ,
लड़का
जहाँ
तो
ये
उसमें.
जहाँ ये लड़का पढ़ के आया वहाँ मैं पढ़ाता हूँ इसलिए मैं हंस रहा
Oh
था.
wow.
Alumni and faculty.
Yes, no, faculty, alumni and faculty. But Urjita, you had seen this film once before as a child,
As a
right?
child I had seen and I remember just being awestruck by what was happening because मेरा तो तभी तो ऑफ फैक्टर था ना, तभी तो गेस भी नहीं कर सकते थे एंड क्या हो गया, फालतू चीज़ों में नहीं पढ़ते थे.
Yes.
I was going with the flow and I was shit scared of Urmila Matondkar.
You saw this on TV?
Yes.
Oh man.
या टीवी पे कौन नहीं लगती थी इतना फ्रीक्वेंटली, बट एक बार रात के टाइम पे लगाई थी ये लोगों ने.
हाँ ये है वो पिक्चर
हाँ.
की जो मतलब रात को ही
रात
केबल
के
वाला
टाइम
चलाएगा.
पे,
Exactly,
हाँ,
yeah,
तो आई
yeah.
रिमेम्बर मैं ऐसे फ्लोर पे ऐसे पूरा टाइम ऐसे ही बैठी थी मैं, जस्ट द एंटायर टाइम, एंड आई रिमेम्बर नॉट शाउटिंग एट ऑल. जम्प स्केयर्स में यूजुअली चिल्ला विल्लाते हैं ना, इसके टाइम में चिल्ला नहीं रही थी बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी ट्रांसफिक्स्ड एंड आई जस्ट रिमेंबर फीलिंग सो कन्फ्लिक्टेड इन माई हेड कि उर्मिला इतनी सुंदर होकर भी इतनी स्कैरी कैसे हो सकती है, विच इज़ द एग्जैक्ट सेम थॉट आई हैड इवन नाउ कि यार उर्मिला इतनी सुंदर दिख रही है एंड हाउ डिड शी, ऑफ कोर्स शी कैन पुल इट ऑफ, शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड एक्ट्रेस, विच इज़ ऑल्सो अनदर पॉइंट आई हैड टू ब्रिंग अप कि उर्मिला मातोंडकर नेवर गॉट हर ड्यू. as a
We'll
great
come to that.
actress. We'll
But
come to that.
Before that, I should say there will be spoilers in this podcast for a movie that came out 25 years ago.
Yeah.
So don't blame us. There will be
Yes.
spoilers for this. So I remember distinctly the two famous spoilers in my time were Gupt and Con. And somehow I think
really?
Gupt ka meme has sort of survived the test of time. Con somehow has gotten a little lost. But these were the two things which were like आपको पता नहीं था कि गुप्त में काजोल किलर है, spoiler alert, and कॉन में उर्मिला is the killer.
Wow, the
That was
Gupt
also-
episode has clearly blown out.
Yeah.
गुप्त हमने डुडेजा के साथ किया था.
Oh, कर लिया.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where Dudeja did a prolonged monologue on how.
And both spoilers are same only.
Kind of,
From
yeah.
gender discourse, it's the same spoiler.
Correct.
तुमने औरत पे बिल्कुल नजर नहीं डाली और उसने खून किया.
जबकि इसमें सिर्फ 3 लोग हैं उसके
Yeah.
बावजूद.
Yeah, nobody would expect Urmila to be the killer. No, उसका look भी ऐसा बना है कि वो डर रही है, ये
Yeah.
कर रही है.
Which
And
brings
dude-
me to something that Amaya told me before we started rolling, that you were watching a film with your sister.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you
Huh?
tell us what
I
that
was watching the film with my sister and she's like, I won't watch a horror film. और ये सब मैंने कहा कि हॉरर नहीं है, 2 जंप स्केयर है. एंड शी लाइक नहीं मैं उतना भी नहीं देख सकती. और मैं बोला इतना तो मतलब थोड़ा आईपत रखना पड़ेगा तुमको देखने के लिए. मतलब ऐसा भी लाइट स्किन होकर नहीं चल सकता है कि तुम कौन में डर गया तो जिंदगी कैसे जियोगे टाइप का. इट्स वेरी दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. बट देन 5 minutes in शी वाज लाइक ये मतलब इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट ओनली वी आर जस्ट थ्रोइंग इट अवे.
It's okay.
उर्मिला ही किलर है ना. एंड आई एम लाइक बट
Wow.
एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मैन मैं ये जो करूंगा कि दिस फिल्म हैज एज्ड बेटर देन मी. अब तो मेरे को शरीर दुखता है मेरा पर ये
Yeah.
पिक्चर क्या तोड़ है. एंड इन 5 minutes शी वाज लाइक कि उर्मिला किलर है ना. बोले ये कैसे पता है तेरे को कि उर्मिला ने मारा है. बट शी वाज लाइक कि नहीं तू कभी तो बताया था कि उर्मिला थोड़ा साइको है उस पिक्चर में.
Okay, so वो subconsciously she probably remembered.
Yeah.
Ah,
And
okay.
I was watching this film with a friend and उसको याद नहीं था कि एंड क्या है. उसको बस ये याद था कुछ क्रेजी एंड है. So he was telling me कि I remember something goes wrong in the end and I was trying to gaslight him the entire time. कि वो देखो फोन का लाइन कटा हुआ है. किसने काटा? शायद कोई चौथा रहेगा. बिल्ली को किसने मारा? And then when of course the climax happened, he was like, yeah, I knew this. I was like, shut the fuck up, you did not know anything.
तो मेरा मेरा छोटी बहन ना वो शेफ है. ठीक है. And immediately 20 minutes into the film, Urmila is making a sandwich.
Yeah.
And my sister is like, I hate this sandwich. अबे तू प्रोफेशनल शेफ है, वो किलर है, वो ऐसा ही सैंडविच बनाएगी. मतलब डोंट हैव culinary taste with a
Yeah.
serial killer.
Yeah. मनोज बाजपेयी को तो पसंद है सैंडविच.
मनोज
वो
जी
तो
को बहुत
बारिश
पसंद
में
है
खा
वो
रहा था. क्या चीज
He's
सैंडविच
eating
बनाया
an
man.
already soggy sandwich in the rain.
Yeah.
But then
yeah.
that's
so
the only
that
thing
nobody
he has.
can see
वो
his
बेलन यूज
tears.
करती है ना ऐसा वो ढकेलने के लिए.
Yeah.
I did not mention, but film was written by Anurag Kashyap, who had also written Satya along with.
Who apparently wasn't happy. मैंने 2 वर्जन
Yeah,
सुने.
yeah,
ठीक है. एक मैंने IMDb पे पढ़ा कि अनुराग कश्यप wasn't happy with the screenplay until the film released. I'm
Yeah.
guessing कि तारीफ सुन के अरे अच्छा काम किया है. And one from an Instagram DM who I would like to believe for some reason, that person said, अरे पता है कि अनुराग कश्यप ने स्क्रिप्ट लिखा था पर गलती से राम गोपाल वर्मा ने फाड़ दिए 3 पेजेस गलती से. तो then अनुराग कश्यप had forgotten उसने क्या लिखा था and Ram Gopal Verma also didn't know, so they just went with the flow. I don't know if this is true or not, but this sounds very believable because that guy said वो जो फर्स्ट पैच है ना जिसमें उर्मिला डरे जा रही है फालतू में, वो 3 पेजेस वो पैच के थे. तो बिकॉज दे डिडंट हैव एनीथिंग ओवर देयर तो दे जस्ट केप्ट शूटिंग. आई एम श्योर दिस इज नॉट अ 100% वेरीफाइड स्टोरी.
कि पिक्चर का स्टार्टिंग का मतलब वो फर्स्ट ट्रैक का उनके पास सीन ही गुम हो गया.
हाँ तो वो 3 पेज फाड़ दिए गलती से.
तो इसीलिए वो घर में घूम रही है.
हाँ.
Oh, wow.
No, but if that was the case, then I think then Ram Gopal Verma utilized the house very well.
Oh yeah.
Because,
Yeah.
but I should say the 2-line synopsis on IMDb for Con is:
Yes.
while alone in the house, a woman hears news of a serial killer on the loose, and then a stranger rings the doorbell. ... बहुत कम IMDb के synopsis ... से खत्म होते हैं. This one ends
ये
with ...
पहला ही होगा आई थिंक. इसके पहले और कौन सा
टाइटल भी
मैंने
क्वेश्चन
तो
मार्क से खत्म होता है.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
a punctuation friendly
Yeah.
film.
You know what I missed when this film starts? The title card comes in the font of the poster.
Yeah.
I missed that. Like nowadays, when you go to watch a movie, the font, like the title font on
Yeah.
screen is the normal font. Like I missed this. When the film announced that this is the movie.
Oh, font में चाकू भी है. ना?
चाकू भी है,
Oh
yeah.
man, just
And half of it is
knife
red.
In a font is just
Yeah.
oh lovely.
Do you think the very fact that she was making the sandwich with the huge ass butter knife,
Yeah.
do you think that was supposed to be the hint कि ऐसे चाकू से कौन सैंडविच बनाता है?
I mean, sure. So I think let's get into the movie. So I think what this movie does is you can almost see that Ram Gopal Varma and Anurag Kashyap are trying to deliberately, do things which make the audience think, अरे अब क्या होगा? अरे ये तो नहीं, अब तो कोई मरने वाला नहीं, अब क्या होगा? So I think that very much is the knife keeps playing a role, right? Like she goes to open the door, she comes back, she says, अरे छुरी कहाँ गई? And then again she says it's in the stand, and then she takes it out again. Every time she takes out the knife, you are supposed to consciously think अब कुछ होने वाला है. So Urita, you were telling me that you had problems with the pacing of the film this time around when you watched it, right? What did you find missing?
I don't know if it was just me or my attention span, but I found myself getting bored in the beginning. Or maybe I feel like background music अगर थोड़ी कुछ और होती ना तो शायद मजा आता, because वो constantly eerie feeling वो आ ही रही थी बार बार. It was almost like the visual representation of that one scene in Stree first, where the villain is just, the Stree is just shouting bhai, and then Rajkumar gets bored.
Yeah.
I like kitna chillayegi bas na. Like imagine you take that surprise element from the ghost. I felt the exact same thing over here also, कि within the first 15 minutes मेरे लिए वो element चला गया था. I was like, come on, move on, or do something else. No, maybe like Urmila, you could have shown Urmila talking to herself. कुछ और दिखा दे, या 3-4 और phone call ही दिखा देते. I feel like something else I think could have happened in.
मुझे लगा ना कि एवरीवन इज फॉलोइंग अप फ्रॉम सत्या ओनली. ठीक है कि RGV वहाँ से आ रहा है, अनुराग सर वहाँ से आ रहे हैं, और संदीप चावटा इज ऑल्सो द बैकग्राउंड स्कोर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सत्या ओनली. एंड इज लाइक अगर मैं थोड़ा कम कर दूंगा ना तो इन लोगों लगेगा कि मैं थोड़ा तुक्के में निकल गया सत्या वाला. तो आई नीड टू रिमाइंड देम कि तुम लोग कि संदीप चावटा को सुन रहे थे, मत जाना एकदम.
Which is why doorbell rings, you hear Gregorian chants. I'm like, why is this happening? But what did you? I mean, I really enjoyed the first 15-20 minutes of the movie up till, I mean, once Manoj Bajpayee comes in the movie, then I think the movie, of course, elevates itself. But I really liked it. I also think some of the things were very bizarre, and we'll come to like does the ending of the film justify the characterization of Urmila till there. There is that scene where she hallucinates that there are people staring at her while she's standing on the upstairs, stuff like that. But I thought that he's laying out the geography of the house. कि upstairs ये है, downstairs ये है, kitchen ऐसा दिखता है, which is a very typical thing to do in a suspense movie. When you're setting a movie in one environment, it's very important to know where things are. So I liked it. I mean, I don't know how much the Urmila characterization of her being scared and paranoid justifies what she does at the end. But that's what did you think? Like the setup of the film.
One thing, तूने mention कर दिया film school से हूँ. So one thing I have to mention is that वो पहला 15 मिनट ना is a classic film school short film.
Okay.
कि वो सपना देख रही है. Like the breaking point is जहाँ उसको पता चलता है कि अरे मैं सपना देख रही हूँ. Like everything is fine now. That is a classic film school short film. कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अरे ये serial killer film है, पर नहीं, वो तो सपना देख रही थी guys. आपको तो क्या ही पता है, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ film making. Like it's very like that.
Yeah. Like that could have been the climax as well. कि क्या पता Manoj Bajpayee and Sushant were also a part of her imagination.
Yeah.
Which is also what I thought initially, that because उन्होंने वो शॉट दिखाया था, because I was like, why was that shot over there?
But मेरे को मतलब ये बार देखते हुए मेरे को वो लगा कि it might be the people she's killed. Like we don't know how many people she's killed.
Right.
Nice.
Like it can be a remembrance of that also, the image. या फिर मतलब एक तो RGV ने वही चीज़ किया है कि इट्स अ वेरी हिचकॉकियन टाइप ऑफ वुमन की. हिचकॉक के फिल्म में औरत को डर लगता रहता है, तो एक औरत घर में और वो डरी हुई है, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. एंड आई थिंक व्हाट like everything in the beginning felt a little like कि अरे ये तो पता
showing off a little.
Yeah, like you're giving the ending because I know the ending and I'm rewatching the film. तो तुम बता, like she's clearly a psycho. She watches TV for like 2 minutes. Like nobody watches TV for 2 minutes and then closes it.
And those 2 minutes are only the relevant information that TV wants to give us.
हाँ, और तुम्हारे पास फोन है और तुम मम्मी को कॉल कर रहा है. Like that's also clearly very psycho.
टीवी पे क्या बज रहा है? गुड़नाल इश्क मीठा ओए होए.
And MTV is playing I Am a Barbie Girl and then Gudnal Ishq Meetha.
Yes.
What's
So
a
this
curation?
film is not streaming anywhere officially. Like I saw it on YouTube. It's right now in India. It's only available on YouTube.
Yeah.
And I read a tweet saying that one of the reasons that it's not streaming anywhere is because there is a rights issue with the Barbie Girl song. So that's why it's there's something stuck up there.
Yeah.
But
Imagine so many movies have been directly ripped off from Hollywood films. उनको कोई
उनको
छू नहीं
कुछ नहीं,
सका,
उनको कोई
और ये
फर्क नहीं.
I Am a Barbie Girl से इनको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. वाओ, समाज George.
Greta Gerwig, if you're watching.
Yeah, if you're watching, please
Please give
intervene.
justice to Con. Okay.
But what's your relationship with Ram Gopal Verma? Ram Gopal Verma's cinema. Not with Ram
Thank you
Gopal
for clarifying.
I had written a short film also very long ago where a struggling actress from Mumbai goes to Hyderabad and her dream is that RGV licks her feet. Okay,
Abbe
because that's what RGV does. And that is how much I love Ram Gopal Verma. कि just मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है देखने को कि like my friend also recently was telling me कि राम गोपाल वर्मा has done everything in terms of form what directors
Correct,
use.
yeah.
Okay, way before like all this.
Like
but
everybody's making anthologies right now. I'm like, he made Darna Mana and Zaruriya in the 2000s.
But
bro.
even like using extreme wide angle lenses and like having stars in your films and making it work that way. But the films are so bad. Like nobody remembers his attempts after this.
ऐसा नहीं है, early films are really good.
No, like not those films. I'm talking about the later, like post Sarkar 2, RGV की आग.
मुझे तो वही लग रहा है कि अभी जो राम गोपाल वर्मा ने उसके बाद जो फिल्म्स बनाई जो कि हम बोलते हैं ये क्या बी ग्रेड है, I feel like 10 years later there will be a resurgence of those films also, where people will find out कि fuck they were ahead of their time, and then हम ऐसे बुड्ढे होके हम सोचने लगे हमने गलती कर दी उनको नहीं पहचानने में.
मेरे को एक देखनी है उसकी 12 o'clock करके, उसमें मानव कौल है और बहुत अच्छा ensemble cast है उसका. And I was like, he convinced all of them, which means there is something in the film. And I think he's the only filmmaker who, जैसे ही कोविड हो गया उसने कोविड में पिक्चर बना दिया. Like he's like immediately मैं पिक्चर बना दूंगा. And there also he treated virus like how camera goes in Con also, no? कि ऐसे पीछे से हमको लग रहा घर में कोई
वायरस का POV.
Yeah, like it very much the camera feels like it is virus का point of view shot ले रहा है. I love Ram Gopal Verma. And my friend has interviewed him, and every interview you see,
Nobody gives interviews like him.
Yeah, nobody gives interviews like him. And in interviews he's extremely on point. And उसका films एकदम derail हो गया.
Yeah. You think he'll ever make he'll be one last hurrah before?
मतलब अनुराग कश्यप बोलते हैं कि like he'll make a comeback. तो we are no one to say. I am no one to say.
I mean, I really want to because I grew up at that time where Satya and Con and Dod and like other 2000s maybe also. Like even the films he produced, the people he backed, Shimit Amin, Anurag Kashyap.
Love के लिए साला कुछ भी करेगा.
Yeah, like these really weird ideas that he put into motion. So I don't know what went wrong. I really want him to make one last real good film. But
Anurag Kashyap had said this very interesting thing about Ram Gopal Verma. I think Samdish के podcast पे उसने बोला था कि जब भी समनीश ने पूछा था what happened to Ram Gopal Verma, why the downfall, and Anurag Kashyap is like downfall का description क्या है तुम्हारा, what is the meaning of downfall, कि somebody who's down in the dumps, no, he's living his best life right now, he's making the shit he wants, he has the money for it, वो अपनी फैंटेसियाँ कर रहा है यार पूरी मूवीज में. तुम कौन कहता है वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं, वो आदमी असली खुश है, उसको फर्क ही नहीं है बॉक्स ऑफिस से.
उसका इंटरव्यू सुन के ना आई रियलाइज कि यू कैन सेपरेट आर्ट एंड आर्टिस्ट. Like that is the point where I am also like कि ये किया जा सकता है.
With RGV और with Anurag Kashyap.
No, with RGV you're like कि ये तो clearly किया जा सकता है.
Yeah, with Anurag Kashyap also sometimes you can separate.
Yeah.
But there is उसका ऑफिस याद है वीरा देसाई रोड पे?
Anurag Kashyap का?
नहीं RGV का जो ऑफिस था वीरा देसाई रोड पे, and he used to have this huge ass gun का shape outside his office, and it was called the Den. His office in Hyderabad is also called Den. And भाई he had made the shit out of that office. And the same thing जो तू बोल रही थी कि he's living his life, like he's doing whatever he wants, he's dancing in malls in Hyderabad, he's having fun, man.
He cannot be, he has realized the importance of free will. वो टूथपेस्ट चाट रहा है, कुछ भी कर सकता है वो. He doesn't care. ब्रेड को एक्सपायरी डेट के बाद खा रहा है. Nobody. I'm not saying you've seen him do all this. I'm just saying, you know, like वो ऐसी चीजें कर रहा है जो of course none of the things that he's doing are illegal. But then you look at कि क्या जरूरत है, वो क्यों नहीं कर सकता, वो क्यों नहीं बना सकता ऐसी पिक्चर है.
He's pushing boundaries in reel format now. Like everything he does in reels.
Oh damn, what does he do? I haven't seen his reels.
He just goes on like, मतलब we are discussing his private life probably now, but it's like कि वो foreign trip पे जाता है और सिर्फ लाइक लड़कियों के साथ फोटो खिंचा के डाल देता है इंस्टाग्राम पे. एंड लाइक आरजीवी सर ये लोग कौन है, आप इनको कास्ट कर रहे हो, क्या आप क्या कर रहे हो, ये भी हिचकॉकियन विमेन है क्या, ये कौन है जिनके साथ आप फोटो खिंचा रहे हो.
कमेंट्स में लोग मीनिंग ढूंढ रहे हैं हर फोटो के पीछे. आरजीवी रिप्लाई करे नहीं लोड़े मैं बस फोटो खींचा है, कोई मीनिंग नहीं है.
But he's one of the most outspoken, interesting characters. So do read his autobiography. It's bizarre and it's shocking, but it's really.
क्या नाम है?
Guns, Thighs, and something.
Oh yeah, Guns, Thighs and Bullets. Yeah.
Something, or maybe it's called Guns and Thighs. Maybe I'm getting it wrong, but it's one of those.
Yeah.
But I think one thing I forgot to mention, because we're having fun with what RGV has become now, we clearly forget like what all he did in the 90s with like fucking Siva, and you know, matlab Dod was also, I loved Dod at that
I mean,
time.
it didn't do well when it came out, but then later on, I think all of us discovered it on TV.
And I love it.
Early
Funniest
2000,
film, yeah.
and then Company, then Darna Mana Hai, Darna Zaruri Hai, all those films. I think they're very
Bhoot
interesting.
also.
Bhoot also, yeah.
वो तो मतलब
Bhoot, Vastu Shastra, there's this horror phase that he had. So yeah, but Con also kind of falls as in a thriller / horror. Like when she hallucinates, there's that scene where two hands come and grab her from the door. That's clearly a horror homage. But then I think around 20 minutes in, then you have that moment where Manoj Bajpayee comes into the movie.
Yes.
And famously, Manoj Bajpayee's character was supposed to be very straightforward and serious. But then it was Manoj's idea to make it more playful and funny.
And good he did that, because otherwise उसका character और सुशांत सिंह की character में फर्क ही नहीं पता
Exactly, yeah.
So,
And I think they really play well off each other, Urmila and Manoj Bajpayee. Manoj Bajpayee really elevates the material that he gets here. It's very easy to make it repetitive कि वो बेल बजा रहा है और डोर इसमें से देख रही है, but then he still makes it so engaging and so funny. Like funny is the last emotion you want to feel here. But I think he's really good. What do you guys think about?
I think a
of Manoj
goofy
Bajpayee?
character in a horror film, best.
Also,
best cast.
He's funny, but he still keeps you on the edge because you still keep thinking,
Exactly.
is he the killer?
क्योंकि वो साइको की तरह बिहेव कर रहा है. Like you place any goofy character in a horror film and you're like, man, this is the scariest shit I've ever seen. Honestly, I felt more scared by him than I did by the BGM और उर्मिला मातोंडकर.
Right.
ओ नहीं मतलब मैं वही सोच रहा था पिक्चर देखते हुए कि ये बहुत क्लियरली एक स्टेज प्ले भी हो सकता था.
Correct.
All of this. But just because मतलब a lot of things made it movie cinema वो सब, but one of them is मनोज बाजपेयी's performance कि थिएटर में आपके पास क्लोजअप नहीं है.
Correct.
और वो जो की होल वाला शॉट है ना, वो मनोज बाजपेयी का, वो भाई उसमें बहुत मजा आता है वो देखते हुए. बेसिकली वेयर इज लाइक कि ये मल्होत्रा साहब घर नहीं है तो मल्होत्रा साहब मुझे गलत एड्रेस क्यों देंगे, एंड लाइक एवरीथिंग. वो कैरेक्टर का बेस्ट पार्ट है कि ही हैज टू वॉइस आउट एवरीथिंग
Correct.
दैट इज हैपनिंग. कि जब वो लास्ट में सुशांत सिंह को मार भी रहा होता है तो अब जब वो बिठा देता है, लाइक पुलिस को बुला लिया, देन ही स्टार्ट सिंगिंग लाइक चाइल्ड और समथिंग.
And also, I feel like two most important keyhole shots in Bollywood. Number one, this, and number two, Lundri. Beautiful. Beautiful.
From Delhi Belly.
Yes, yes.
I have a question. Is this movie a more interesting film if the story is told from the point of view of the Manoj Bajpayee character? Because I feel like he goes through his character goes through the most मतलब उसकी तो पूरी जिंदगी उथल पुथल हो गई ना उस दिन. Like he comes as this guy who's जो रेन में फंसा हुआ है. So do you think that happens because it's a very like that arc is more destructive
कि हम लोग वो गाड़ी में आए उसके साथ और फिर हम लोग घर में घुसे
कि वो एड्रेस ढूंढ रहा है या जो भी finds this woman.
It would be more interesting because at least then हमें पता चलेगा उसका मोटिव क्या था वहाँ पे आने का. Because the way they had set it up, it honestly felt like कोई भी राह चलता नॉर्मल इंसान नहीं करेगा ये जबरदस्ती घुसने की कोशिश. उसका कोई तो मोटिव, एटलीस्ट एक चीज दिखा देते कि वो चोर है, वो एक कहीं पे क्लू दिखा देते तो इट वुड हैव बीन डन एंड डस्टेड. बट द वेरी फैक्ट दैट दे स्टार्ट ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर एज बी यू नो साइको है, ये गूफी है, पता नहीं कुछ भी हो सकता है, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है तो क्यों आएगा वो घर पे.
Because he wants to make a phone call.
नहीं, but he just keeps creeping out Urmila.
Yeah, that's his characterization, that he's a little too over enthusiastic.
और उसका कैरेक्टर डिजाइन भी थोड़ा सेल्समैन टाइप का है ना. तो हिज लाइक दैट्स व्हाट आई फेल्ट वाचिंग दिस टाइम कि उसका जॉब ही है टू गेट इनटू अ हाउस. Like because he's dressed like a salesman and that's what a salesman.
But he's not
he
trying
says मैं
to.
delivery करने आया था. That's the only line we get about why he's there.
मैं लेने आया था ना. मल्होत्रा
डिलीवरी लेने आया था, देने आया था कुछ
द
something
प्रॉब्लम इज देन सेल्समैन अगर वो है तो फिर व्हाई ही नॉट ट्राइंग टू सेल एनीथिंग. ये भी हम खुद ही
नहीं, like his
assumption लगा
getup
रहे हैं.
I'm talking about, like there's no giveaway that he's a salesman.
हाँ वही मोटिव उसका कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. उसका यहाँ पे आने का मोटिव क्या था? सी अगर वो एक बार बेल बजाता एंड उर्मिला एक ही बार में खोल देती देन उसके मोटिव की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. बट वो 3 बार बेल बजा रहा है, वो ऊपर से पत्थर फेंक रहा है, वो बाहर नाच के चीज़ सैंडविच की तारीफ कर रहा है. क्यों कर रहा है वो?
पर वो इकलौता कैरेक्टर है ना जिसको यही आना था.
क्यों आना था?
क्योंकि
That
Mr.
I get
Malhotra
because
को-
he's stuck in the rain. He's hungry. His car keys are inside the car.
And
And
he's
उसको
same-
पनवेल
He
बुलाया
needs
है.
shelter.
But
somehow.
any sane man wouldn't trouble a woman like that.
That's the thing. We are not meant to think he's sane.
Then if he's insane, then
No,
show
we
us
don't know.
clearly.
That's
He's unhinged.
He's unhinged, and
He's
he's very.
unhinged.
Yeah, that's the guessing game that we have to keep guessing.
नहीं ये ऐसा नहीं होता कि अगर तुम you have to close all the loops, especially if you're making a thriller. Everything
But then,
needs to
where
make-
is the thrill if you tell the audience everything?
नहीं, but everything needs to make sense by the end of it. See,
By the
अगर
end of it, right? But when
Yeah.
Manoj Bajpayee's character is introduced, I'm liking playing that guessing game. Is he a psycho? Is he a nice guy? I don't know.
तो that answer is not answered no in the end. So it's like फिर ऐसे तो मैं
It is
भी
answered, right?
He's not a psycho.
He's not a psycho.
For
He's a
us,
little. He's a little
literally
eccentric.
our point of view in the film eventually.
Right.
कि
बट वही उसका कैरेक्टर सडनली चेंज हो गया है ना. लाइक यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आई एम सेइंग कि सी व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अ थ्रिलर दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी वर आल्सो टॉट इन आवर कॉलेज जहाँ पे मैंने फिल्म मेकिंग सीखी. उधर भी
Not
हमें
bad.
shout
बताया
out to filmmaking college.
या सो उधर मैंने भी एक ऐसा ही थ्रिलर टाइप लिखा था फिल्म. सो जिसको प्राइज भी मिला था. बट माय टीचर हैड द सेम क्वेश्चन कि तूने एंड में जो फ्लिप दिया उसका तूने कोई हिंट दिया ही नहीं पूरे फिल्म में.
You're
So-
kind of describing Con actually.
आई नो. सो देन विच इज़ वाई लाइक एंड ये सेम चीज़ ना मैंने दूसरे भी मतलब जगह पे पढ़ी भी है. आई हैव रेड दिस इन अदर डिस्कोर्सेज ऑल्सो. इन माई क्लास ऑल्सो हमें सेम चीज़ बताई थी कि इफ़ यू आर सेटिंग अप अ कैरेक्टर ओके यू हैव टू ऑल्सो राइट डाउन द पर्पज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर.
Okay.
You might not have to reveal its purpose, the character's purpose in the beginning or in the end, but the audience should understand what the character is here for, especially if the character is थोड़ा offbeat. Like अभी सुशांत सिंह के कैरेक्टर की मेरे को पड़ी नहीं है.
कि वो चोर है और
हाँ,
he's a
that is assumed कि वो चोर है या
lumpen
कुछ तो
element है तो
रहेगा.
वो आ
हाँ
जाएगा,
हाँ.
ठीक
And
है.
also like the way he's very normal, so I don't give a fuck about him.
I actually disagree. I think Manoj's character is more well defined than Sushant. Sushant's character has to literally spell out कि मैं चोर हूँ.
तो बता दिया ना उसने, I'm
That's
saying.
what. So for me that doesn't work. For me that's literally spelling out who he is. With Manoj's character, he's keeping me guessing of whether is he good or not. And by the end he is a good guy, because even at the end when Sushant Singh's character dies, all the times that Manoj's eccentricity comes out is when he's under pressure. Every time his life is threatened, he's like, अरे आपको पता नहीं ये पागल लड़की इसको कुछ पता नहीं. Because in a live or die situation, of course you will put the onus on to survive however you can. And till the end, when the penny doesn't drop that Urmila is the killer, he's still trying to save Urmila. He's like, यहाँ कोई और भी है, यहाँ कोई और भी है, मैडम. हाँ मैडम कोई और भी. So I'm like, then that's the ultimate this thing ना, that he's still trying to save her in that scenario.
All
So
of
for
that
me,
is
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
वो सब ठीक है. But again the question arises, वो इतना जबरदस्ती घर में घुसने का कोशिश क्यों कर
उसमें
रहा था?
then there is no movie if you say कि he has
नहीं,
to
but
be
it's also like you need one reason to have a character into a house, which is that he's desperate. बाहर बहुत बारिश हो रही है, उसकी चाबी अंदर.
Manoj Bajpayee is here, guys.
Guys, Manoj, I'm sorry. I didn't
Cheese sandwich.
keep this part. Oh, keep this part.
First of all, it's a one room thriller.
Right.
ठीक है कि हम लोग एक ही घर में होंगे एंड पीपल विल एंटर. तो तेरा भी जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था कि वी वॉक इन फ्रॉम द मनोज बाजपेयी's कैरेक्टर,
Right.
बट देन there is a lack of unhinged elements
Get it, yeah,
to
yeah,
keep
yeah,
me
yeah.
this thing, you
Yes.
know,
Yeah.
कि where he's like अरे मैम पत्थर मैंने ही फेंका था, like I'm that desperate to enter the house. तो I like when films don't dictate clearly पूरा starting में. बट तेरा पॉइंट ये कि लास्ट तक मेरे को पता चल जाना चाहिए था कि ये तुमने जो पूरा ताना बाना बांधा हुआ है इसका मतलब क्या है. तो तेरा एग्जैक्ट कंप्लेंट है कि यू जस्ट वांटेड टू नो हिज एग्जैक्ट पर्पस.
टू गेट इनसाइड द हाउस. तुम एक लाइन दिखा देते ना कि उसको चल कोई चीज ही बेचनी है. आई डोंट गिव अ फक. वो भी हो सकता था. बट वो एक चीज़ मुझे बता देते कि वाई इज ही सो डेस्परेट टू गेट इनसाइड द हाउस. बिकॉज तुम खुद ही सोचो, नो मैन इफ यू सी ही न्यू दैट शी वाज अलोन. Why does
No,
he
she
still...
says my husband is sleeping upstairs.
हाँ, बट बाद में उसको पता चलता है ना.
By then he's already inside the house. No, she opens the door and tells him
yeah. Like why is he so desperate to get inside? I feel like एक कहीं पे तो उसने बताना चाहिए।
मेरे को लगता है उसका पे ऑफ हो जाता है जहाँ पे वो लाश को पलटा के बोलता है कि मिस्टर मल्होत्रा and like he's met Mr.
Oh.
Yeah, he was at the right.
He was at the right.
Okay.
All right, we have to take a quick break at this point. When we come back, we'll talk about the controversial ending of the movie, and we have some more points about Con, including Urjita will tell us why Urmila did not get the due that she deserved, and we'll talk a little bit more about Con with Ameya and Urjita. I was going to say Urmila. If you're watching us on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with anyone who you think will enjoy it. And if you're listening to us on an audio platform, rate and review us. We'll see you right after this break. Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by Mumbai-based entrepreneur and restaurateur Riaz Amlani. Catch Riaz talking about his love for food and narrate interesting stories of building restaurant chains like Social, Smokehouse Delhi, and managing places like Antisocial and Prithvi Cafe. On A Century of Stories, discover the fascinating origins of the legendary comic book series Amar Chitra Katha. Tune in as Kunal looks back at the vision of the legendary Anant Pai, who sought to make Indian stories accessible for children. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, IDFC First Bank and Grab. And we're back on Has It Aged Well. We're talking about Con from 1999 with Urjita and Ameya. Urjita, you were saying you think Urmila did not get the due that she deserved. Why do you think so?
I think we should all be saying that.
Okay.
Yeah. Urmila, she starred in so many great films.
Yeah.
एक तो सत्या, ठीक है, भूत, Con.
Rangila.
She single-handedly carried भूत,
Kuwara
Con.
with Govinda.
अरे यार.
Wait, man, I like that.
Yeah, and she was so good in her item songs also.
Yeah.
Like आइए आ जाइए from Lajja. So good, so cool. एक तो उर्मिला मातोंडकर, I don't know for some reason 90s के जो directors थे, directors/choreographers/costume designers, उनके दिमाग में पता नहीं ऐसा क्या होता था कि यार let's check this actress's beauty, इसको वाहियात से वाहियात चीज़ें पहनाते हैं and let's see if she still looks beautiful. वो as a challenge ले लेते थे. उर्मिला मातोंडकर is dressed up so weirdly in that song. हाँ, and even in that other song, वो नहीं जानम समझा करो, and she's the heroine in that film. I don't know why they would do that with her.
But I remember China Gate ka poster I remember seeing in my childhood, and I thought Urmila is the heroine. Of this film.
Yeah.
And I watched that film and like ये एक गाने के लिए इसका थोड़ा सबसे बड़ा है.
I think she was the most popular person in that movie.
I mean after like Amrish Puri I think.
हाँ, but then they were all like
विलन का तो अलग ही कैटेगरी होता था ना.
मेरे मन को भाया मैं कुत्ता काट के खाया. Sorry, मुझे डायलॉग याद आ गया. I want to talk about the ending of this film. So
I just want to mention one thing which I thought is that this film has aged very well for me is because Urmila has now joined Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray faction. So when the bell rings and she says Con, she actually thinks it's ED that's coming into the house. It's an income tax raid that she feels.
Con sequel in the works already.
Con sequel. It's a ED raid.
Nice. But
when did she switch to Shiv Sena? I thought she was still in the Congress.
No, she shifted
she
to
did?
Shiv Sena.
Oh, damn, I did not know that.
I mean, the ED still stays.
Yeah, of course.
I think why this movie works for me is because in the entire film, Urmila is gaslighting us into believing that she's the innocent one. And right from the beginning, like, you know, the typical traits of a gaslighter, they will keep giving you reasons. They will force feed their character to you, good character. कि अरे मैं तो innocent हूँ, मैं तो अच्छा हूँ, मैं तो अच्छी हूँ. Urmila Matondkar is doing that with us. So I feel if you look at the film from that perspective, that Urmila Matondkar knows because she breaks the fourth wall in the climax. So if you think about it from that perspective, कि actually we are also supposed to be a character in the film, which is why Urmila Matondkar is pretending in front of us.
Urmila did it before Deadpool.
Yeah. If we think about it from that lens, then the movie is 20 on 10.
Man, मेरे को तो वो बेस्ट लगा था कि जब सुशांत सिंह उसको लास्ट में मारता है ना, like the ending we were talking about, and that time also she just flips her character and she starts crying and all of that.
Yeah,
And
the
I was
moment she sees Sushant coming,
man,
yeah.
that's just so lovely to
Beautiful.
watch.
So I want to talk about that flip. So okay, again, when I saw it as a kid, I was blown away. I was like, "Fuck it, though! I did not see that coming.
Yeah.
This is totally shocking." Now when I watch it, I'm like, isn't it a little like there is absolutely no grain given to us in the beginning or in the middle of the film? Why does that flip come? It just seemed like a very 90s thing कि हम उस टाइम पे ऐसे बताते थे कि उसको वो पागल है, बच्चों की तरह बिहेव करती है और लोगों को मारने में उसको मजा आता है. Why there's not even any trigger that is shown that she was triggered by this, that's why now she's acting like this.
Like you want a backstory to the character.
Something I need.
देखा इसका मोटिव इनफ नहीं है, इसके लिए तुझे बैक स्टोरी चाहिए.
Yeah, but for the Manoj Bajpayee character, I thought it was laid out. For this, I think there is
films that are like it happened one night kind of films. कि इस रात को ये होता है इस फिल्म में. I don't want the backstory.
Okay, don't give me a backstory.
When she like switches off the TV after hearing the serial killer news and she's alone in the house, all that, like when I see it reverse engineered and the smile that she gives in the end, there's a hint of that smile when she sees the cat. Okay, so like I saw कि अच्छा there are things that are slightly edging towards that, not exactly that. और जोक करने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ है कि पेट के बल बैठ के मम्मी से बात कर रहा है, सब तो साइको ही होगी and all of that. But
hey bro, when we had landlines, we all used to do that.
No, but it's like that's Anupam Kher कुछ होता है posture. Don't do that for talking to mummy.
Yeah.
But हाँ मेरे को लगा था कि there is a slight giveaway.
Yeah.
And if you see it from the other character's point of view also कि जहाँ पे सुशांत सिंह को भी मालूम है कि वो फोन उठा रही तो फोन नहीं काम कर रहा.
Correct, yeah.
Like the line is cut.
So why didn't he
like
call it
you
out?
can see it on his face.
Right.
That there is an expression change where I think the character in his mind Qureshi goes like कि okay she's in my team.
Okay.
कि that's why I'll protect her. I
But
also
again,
know the phone is not working. She also knows now the phone is not working. But she's acting. So both of them, like he thinks they've teamed up.
Are those things that you are filling in as an audience because you know the outcome of the film, or is that actually?
No, I was trying to think that like क्योंकि ऐसी फिल्म में होता है प्लॉट, मतलब प्लॉट होल्स होते हैं थ्रिलर में बहुत सारे.
Of course, हाँ.
तो मैं वो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जब सोच रहा था तो मेरे को लगा था कि कोई तो एक पॉइंट पे ये लोग चूक गया होगा. But like I could see that Sushant Singh has worked कि भाई एक like when she picks up the call and starts talking, there's a very clear expression change on his face.
Okay.
And like if you see that वो सब है पिक्चर में.
Okay.
To some level, so there is some detailing for a second watch, third watch kind of a thing.
Okay.
तो मेरे को एकदम ही unhinged नहीं लगा था ending जब पहली बार.
But do you guys agree then it is a little bit of a irresponsible portrayal of someone who's mentally unstable? कि बस they're just killer, they like to act like a child and kill people and enjoy it.
I think we are supposed to assume. Okay, so I'll give you I'll try to give you a reason of why I think this works for me.
Yes.
Number one, there was supposed to be an ending of the film that was later shelved. उन्होंने दिखाया नहीं कि I think IMDb पे भी है, मैंने कहीं पे तो पढ़ा था. उर्मिला की why the credits are rolling. एक वॉइस ओवर आएगा कि न्यूज़ रीडर का वॉइस ओवर है कि मल्होत्रा बिल्डिंग में काफ़ी ज़्यादा डेड बॉडीज़ की स्मेल की वजह से नेबर्स ने कंप्लेन किया और जिससे उर्मिला पकड़ी गई. दिस वाज सपोज टू बी देयर इन द क्रेडिट्स रोल, बट उन्होंने वो आइडिया ही ड्रॉप कर दिया. आई थिंक दैट इज बिकॉज दे वांटेड अस टू थिंक, मे बी अज्यूम कि व्हाट इफ ऑल ऑफ इट वाज एन इमेजिनेशन फॉर उर्मिला.
बट ऑल्सो इट इज़ बिकॉज कि मतलब मेरे को जो लगता है तेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे कि RGV cinephile, all of that, big film fan, and Hitchcock hates the explanation scene of Psycho.
Right.
Like जहाँ पे वो साइकाइट्रिस्ट को बिठा के खाली वो ब्रेक डाउन कर रहा है पूरी पिक्चर का कि ये होता है कैरेक्टर का, वो थोड़ा because his mother passed away, he thinks like this, and then you cut to his smile. Like like he didn't like doing that, but he had to do that because producers were like nobody will understand. So I think that's why they were also like कि नहीं explain करते हैं, एक रात में हुआ, एक खत्म हो गया.
Right.
And like just end it probably.
So like my question is, when we start the movie, we are with Urmila. She's talking to her mother on the phone. She's talking normally.
Yeah.
Then she's paranoid that she's alone in the house. There's a news of a serial killer on the loose. It's raining, everything. So then the film is telling us that this is the girl in danger. We are meant to be on her side. And then the film ends with Urmila getting very unhinged. There's a teddy bear on the floor. Do we see that teddy bear any time in the film?
Yeah.
We do?
We do?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
स्टार्टिंग में बैठा हुआ है ना वो टेडी बेयर सोफा पे एकदम कोने में बैठा
So
हुआ है.
maybe I missed that.
Is there in the shot also where the kitten is sitting in the foreground and there is the pink teddy bear over there.
But when the movie ends, she's talking to her mother in that baby voice. So I'm like, now ये पिक्चर ने हमारे साथ धोखा नहीं किया कि शुरू में उन्होंने बताया कि वो नॉर्मल है, सब कुछ सेन है, और एंड में दे आर टेलिंग अस कि ओह नो शी वाज अनहिंज्ड, शी इज मेंटली अनस्टेबल.
वो लास्ट में बोलती क्या मम्मी को?
तुम लोग जल्दी आ जाओ, ऐसे समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Like the same thing she
मैं
is
डर जाऊंगी,
crying
मैं
about.
जल्दी आ जाओ. हाँ.
So there I thought, like this I felt in Kahani also, spoilers for Kahani, where it's revealed that she is not pregnant, and then उसमें flashback होता है where we see the husband was actually someone else.
Yeah.
So I'm like, ये तुम धोखा कर रहे हो ऑडियंस के साथ. ये तुमने पिक्चर में जो बताया तुम linearly वो लाइन नहीं खींच रहे हो. You kept hidden something from us, the audience, which you are revealing now.
Yeah.
Which we never knew.
Yeah.
So on that aspect, on that level, I thought it lacked a little bit.
तो even I had another doubt over here. बिल्ली को किसने मारा? उर्मिला ने
Urmila,
मारा.
yeah.
It was supposed to be Urmila
The way I
only.
perceived it is जब when the light goes, जब electricity चली जाती है.
And we have just inserts of
हाँ, I think at that point somehow Urmila killed the kitten. By the way, I'm taking away 2 points from the rating scale for killing the kitten.
killing the kitten. Man, I remember in my childhood very clearly कि मैंने बचपन में टीवी बंद कर दिया था वो बिल्ली का शॉट देख के, और ये हो गया था कि भाई ये नहीं घर पे ये पता नहीं है किधर जा रहा है.
बिल्ली, वो छोटा सा टेडी बेयर, व्हाइट टेडी बेयर जो उन्होंने they tried to pass it off as a बिल्ली, the dead teddy
And they
bear.
keep cutting back to it. again and
Yeah,
again.
the
I'm
same
like,
thing, same scene. वो बारिश हो भी नहीं रही है उस scene में, फिर भी when they cut back बारिश हो रही है.
I should mention the plot of this film is somewhat inspired by an English film called Signpost to Murder, which came out in the 60s. जिस पे एक और पिक्चर बन चुकी है 1969 में called इत्तेफाक, which was directed by Yash Chopra.
Oh, अच्छा,
yeah.
oh that, sorry.
Yeah.
हाँ, but
नहीं,
that was
अक्षय
about a
खन्ना
man
वाली जो इत्तेफाक
that
थी.
is a remake of this.
अच्छा,
He like a man
So,
who's
yeah.
like out on the loose, like he's Signpost to Murder वो पिक्चर है I think कि जिसमें वो आदमी भाग जाता है जेल
Correct.
से and
Yeah.
then he goes to a woman's house where he's hiding. मतलब इत्तेफाक
and then he finds out the woman is also hiding.
yeah, and then
secrets.
she's also like both of them like a
Correct.
romance kind
Yeah,
of a thing
yeah,
happens and
yeah.
it goes like into a मेरे को लगता सेम है मतलब
It's somewhat like finding a woman alone in her house and then finding out she also has her secrets. Actually, Signpost to Murder sounds more similar to what I wanted from this film. If it followed Manoj Bajpayee's
Yeah.
trajectory rather than
Yeah.
this thing. But on shock value, did you guys think the climax holds up?
Yeah. I think it's nice.
Yeah.
I think it मतलब I knew how it is coming. So I
Right.
was just seeing कि like वो होता है ना कि कौन सा डोमिनो आप like
हाँ,
what all are
correct.
you flicking down the way
Correct, yeah.
when you are doing it
Yeah.
slowly.
But again, like Abbas, you mentioned
Yeah.
कि you know like ऐसी फिल्म्स में when you watch the climax and when you watch the film again, knowing what happens in the climax, ऐसी 3-4 चीज़ें होती है जो मुझे देख के लगा कि it's not justified now. जैसे कि one thing is that only कि उर्मिला वापस अपनी मम्मी से बेबी टॉक में बात कर रही है and now she's in her full psycho mode. But again, if we bring in that perspective, वो audience वाला, that she is gaslighting us also, then it makes sense from that perspective.
And
So
she breaks the
everything
fourth
makes
wall
sense.
in the
Yeah, she breaks the fourth
breaks
wall,
the
so
fourth
then
wall.
it makes
So
sense.
she's gaslighting is also the film is gaslighting us, right? Because the film is not showing us, film is showing us an alternate version of what she is rather than what she actually turns out to be in
बट
the
वो
end.
दिखाता है क्लियरली वो जब वो शॉट में जब मनोज बाजपेयी उसको मार रहा है एंड लाइक जब कोई एक आंख आ जाती है उसके ऊपर
Yeah.
शी इमीडिएटली चेंजेस हर पोजीशन
Yeah.
इनटू अ विक्टिम
Yes.
लाइक शी इज बीइंग हॉन्टेड एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो
Correct.
मेरे को लगता है साइकोलॉजी के एकदम वो कैरेक्टर एज पे चलता है कि दिस साइड आई एम अ किलर एंड दिस साइड आई एम हॉन्टेड एंड यू नो
I
आई
am
एम
the
स्कैर्ड
victim.
एंड प्लीज हेल्प मी एंड आई एम अ मतलब damsel in distress kind of
Yeah.
that thing.
Also, I have a question. So she went to Malhotra's house, killed Malhotra, and now she's been living there.
yeah
That's-
yeah
Because she's very well versed with everything in the house.
Yeah.
So a part of me almost felt like, do I remember correctly? Does she kill her own parents and is this supposed to be her family's house? No, right?
no.
Okay. So she's the killer जो टीवी पे दिखा रहा है, जो
Yeah,
बहाना
she's the
बना के
killer
घर में
जो-
आ
हाँ,
जाता
जो
है.
बहाना बना के घर में आती है.
हाँ,
And-
आती नहीं आता है क्योंकि न्यूज़ीलैंड को भी ये नहीं चमका
Gender नहीं
के औरत हो सकती है किलर. But Malhotra's body is not decomposing, so she's not been there for a very long time.
Yeah, मतलब
Yeah.
2-3
But
दिन ही
yeah,
हुआ होगा
हाँ.
टाइप का.
Okay, so I have a theory.
Yeah.
Okay, two, three theories.
Okay.
एक तो Urmila, why what is happening with her in the house? Number one, maybe that guy, you don't even know if that guy is Malhotra or not. It
No,
could be
because
one of our
Manoj Bajpayee
witnesses.
identifies him, no? When he sees the body. He's like,
Identifies
"Malhotra?"
nahi, he's like
No, he says Malhotra.
I'm not sure if that is
Yeah.
identified.
Isn't
He
that what-
identifies.
yeah.
That is identified.
Yeah, he turns the
Okay.
body and then he's like Malhotra,
Mr. Malhotra. Okay, fine.
हाँ.
Because I took it as
and फिर वही shot नीचे से थोड़ा pan होता है and you
करता है
see
and
कि
then-
she's just
Yeah,
standing
and I
on
like
the
that they
knife
didn't use
or-
background music at that point
Yeah.
when they reveal that it's
yeah.
Urmila.
So
yeah,
like, okay, if we
yeah.
consider the fact that he is actually the Mr. Malhotra in question,
Hmm.
so is she his wife? Is she his daughter? Is she his sister?
No, she's a killer. She's a
She's a
serial killer.
Killer on the run जो बोल रहा है कि ये घर में घुस जाती है,
अच्छा,
मार
okay,
देती है,
okay.
हाँ.
and then probably she has a escape route of somehow you know,
Yeah.
going into somebody's house.
Right.
Okay, fair.
I like the fact that she's वो एकदम Rosemary's Baby type का उसने like that gown that she's
Yeah.
wearing. I like all that कि थोड़ा character design में there is there
Hmm.
उस चीज का.
Yeah. Any thoughts on Sushant
Oh, also
Singh?
one thing
हाँ.
I just want to mention is that मनोज वाजपेयी जो बोलता है कि अरे मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी आरती वो मर गई and all of that, and Anurag Kashyap wrote the film.
His
and
ex-wife is
yeah,
Aarti.
he was dating Aarti Bajaj at
Yes.
that time.
Yeah.
And he's like कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड आरती थी वो मर गई. I'm like, oh man.
देखो नोलन मार सकता है अपनी बीवी
Yeah,
को
writers really
थोड़ा
drop
थोड़ा
their-
क्यों नहीं मार सकता.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say about Sushant Singh in this movie? I thought he has a
Oh, like,
small role, but
yeah, it in this his role.
but he comes at a very
he
pivotal
inspired
point.
Southern India. Like, from here, it
Yeah.
was like कि
Yeah.
that's where it took off.
But he also had a moment in the 90s. I think he collaborated a bit with RGV and
Yeah.
was in a lot of movies.
भाई उसका क्या सत्या में क्या कान कटता है उसका.
Yes.
Oh
Okay,
man,
guys, I have a theory.
Yeah.
What if, just think about this, what if Sushant is actually a police inspector and he has suspected that either of them are the killer? उसको कहीं से टिप मिला है कि इस घर में वो किलर है अभी. Now he doesn't know which one of them is the killer, so he's just trying to figure out. So then the phone वाला सीन जो तुमने बोला कि जो भी उर्मिला फोन
Acting
उठाती
कर रही
है तभी सुशांत का एक्सप्रेशन चेंज होता है. Is that the look of fuck she is the killer? Because it could be possible because जब भी end में he's trying to save her life, it could be because he's a police inspector, so उसको रंगे हाथ पकड़ना, he doesn't want to kill her.
Oh हाँ कि maybe in the end when he sees he's like, oh, I was wrong, Manoj Bajpayee is the killer.
Yes,
Then he killed me.
yeah, maybe he's
Yeah.
thinking Manoj Bajpayee is the killer. So what if he's actually a police inspector?
पर फिर क्यों बोलेगा कि मैं चोर हूँ? Like why would the police guy?
Just so that they know that अगर वो बोलता कि मैं पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर हूँ, so then both of them would have tried to kill him. But now because he's saying कि मैं चोर हूँ, so now he's not a threat to them anymore. I think just to like hide his original personality. Because अगर दोनों में से सच में कोई किलर होता और ये बोलता मैं पुलिस हूँ, तो वो तो बोलता है भाई भाड़ में जाए, हम पहले इसको मारते हैं. But because उसने बोला मैं चोर हूँ, so now suddenly both of them they are not that worried about him anymore.
But
I feel.
चोर के बारे में ज़्यादा टेंशन होएगा ना. Like पुलिस वाला
Yeah, I
होगा
don't know. I
तो
don't know
थोड़ा-
which is a bigger. I think if he, I don't know, does revealing he's a police officer a bigger threat than saying he's a chore? But my thing is then if he had revealed he's a police officer, then तो मनोज बाजपेयी completely would have gone to his side.
Yeah, he would
कि
have
हाँ,
been
कि
like
मुझे
कि
बचा ले, देख ऐसा ऐसा
भाई
हो
मैं
गया
नहीं
है.
हूँ, तेरे को मेरे
पर
पे
वो
कोई
उसको पता नहीं है
Also,
ना
if he's a
कि
cop, where is his car? Why isn't his car outside?
बाहर कहीं तो रहेगी ना. Okay, I'll give you an example.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll draw a parallel, very weird parallel, but remember Dhoom?
Yeah.
Uday Chopra joins John Abraham's team saying कि मैं भी चोर हूँ, मुझे ज़रूरत है, तो John Abraham easily takes him in. Same logic here. See, okay, consider this from Sushant Singh's perspective. ठीक है, वो अंदर आता है, he's like कि he's expecting just one person to be in the house, but he sees two. Now he's questioned कि now he's
But why would he expect one person in the house? You don't
serial
know.
killer नहीं
इतने
वो
बड़े
बोला
बंगले
ना
में कौन
serial
होएगा?
killer serial killer on the loose, तो he maybe उसको टिप मिला है ना कि कहीं तो एक ही इंसान है उस घर में. So तू सोचना एक इंसान के लिए पकड़ने को आया, ठीक है, but he sees two instead.
So why isn't
And-
if he's a cop, then he would find, like from screenwriting point of view, he would find reasons to walk into different rooms, no? Like then he would be on the search for a dead body. कि he would think from a policeman's point of view and be like कि तुम लोग यहीं पे बैठो, and you know just climb up the stairs, go into one of the rooms कि मैं bathroom use करके आता हूँ ऊपर वाला, and you know like all those things he would do.
But उसके पास help नहीं है ना for him to do all of it.
Like
उनको
उसके पास
बोलेगा-
मैगजीन है एक, और उसके पास एक बंदूक है. Like that's the
पर बंदूक उसको उनके सामने ही तान के रखनी पड़ेगी ना. हाउ कुड ही से तुम इधर ही रुका, कहीं जाओ मत, मैं चेक करके आता हूँ. हाउ कैन दैट वर्क?
no, but मतलब अगर
अभी ये
मनोज
स्क्रीन
बाजपेयी
राइटिंग वर्कशॉप बन रहा है.
मतलब अगर मनोज बाजपेयी सोच सकता है कि मैडम कॉफी बनाने के लिए आप क्या करना कि आप हम लोग आगे चलते हैं, लाइक इफ दैट मच ही कैन प्लान, देन एक पुलिस वाला वो तो कर ही लेगा ना. कुरैशी मतलब उतना. I don't think he's a cop.
I actually thought
think he's
when Sushant Singh comes into the movie takes a bit of a dip. Like then it just becomes too
that is
screechy.
very clearly Raymond Chandler का एक rule है. When the plot is flagging, what you do
Introduce a
is
man
you
with a gun.
like make a man with a gun walk through the door. Like
Oh,
just kick the door and there's a man holding a gun. And
Literally
that's exactly what happens in the plot. So वो उसका literal adaptation है वो चीज. The plot is flagging now. We've been confused too many times. Now there has to be a third element.
Yeah.
Why do you think so? There's one point where there's a doorbell which rings. This is after Manoj Bajpayee has killed in quotes Sushant. घंटी बजती है, मनोज बाजपेयी goes comes back and says कि मल्होत्रा को पूछ रहा था कोई, मैडम ये आपने तो बोला कि गुप्ता का घर है. Why do you think they didn't show that guy at the door who asked for Malhotra? Because that's again a very we have to take Manoj Bajpayee's word for it, where he says.
I think we have to be with Urmila at that. I mean, anytime we are with Urmila.
Right.
ठीक है. Till
That's
suddenly
true, actually,
there is a
yeah,
phone reveal and we are like exactly what is happening.
Yes.
कि उर्मिला कहाँ पे, and then there is a whole flip.
Right.
But till then we are with उर्मिला.
Completely.
और उसका वो है कि उसने देखा मेरे शरीर पे खून है, बंदूक है, भाग गया वहाँ से, पर ये गुप्ता जी का घर है तो मल्होत्रा को पूछते आ रहा है. And उस वो क्वेश्चन से चालू होते ऊपर जाता and he finds Malhotra's dead body. So I think the bell was to set up again the fact of Malhotra.
Correct.
Writing wise, and then with that question the character comes up, stumbles upon Malhotra.
Cool.
And he sits on the dead body very weirdly in that top shot. Manoj Bajpayee, he's just touching the dead body everywhere and he just sits on the dead body.
True. I just wanted to mention this film is produced by Allu Arvind, who happens to be Allu Arjun's father. Allu Arjun, of course, of Pushpa fame. So yeah, one of the most successful producers in Telugu cinema.
Lucky the Racer fame also.
Oh really?
Okay. Yeah, that's the greatest film on Sony Max, man.
Which one?
Lucky the Racer. तेलुगु में रेस गुर्रम नाम है उसका.
हाँ. Who starred in the film?
अरे वो इसका मीम नहीं बना था रवि किशन का, मेरा डोल.
अच्छा, oh that film.
It's from that film.
Okay.
जिसके सर पे पट्टी बंदी है and he's dancing. He's the villain in that.
Okay. I love that this film is 90 minutes. I think we should go back to making some 90-minute films without songs.
We got a minimal cast 90-minute film with no songs.
With no songs, yes.
All songs are in Rangila, guys. Go watch Rangila. कि ये जो गाने रह गए थे.
Yeah, which means A.R. Rahman's Hindi film career.
A few more facts. Sorry.
This film was adapted. There's an English book also.
Based on Con?
Yeah, based on Con. It's called Who.
Really?
But how did they write the BGM in it?
Huh?
How did they?
add
the BGM. BGM is the fourth character.
वो आता है ना कि ऐसा रब करो तो स्मेल आता है, तो वैसा टाइप का कुछ किया होगा कि वो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया खोलो तो अचानक से गाड़ी का ऐड में से वो गाड़ी का आवाज आने लगता है.
Yeah. Oh, Times of India had done a music ad also at some point. I remember, like if you press it, then music आता है.
हाँ, yeah.
There is a very blatant thumbs up ad integration in this movie where her fridge has the thumbs up logo, and I think at one point even on the TV there's a thumbs up ad which is playing.
And she is a psycho क्योंकि नीलॉन्स का अचार फ्रिज के ऊपर रखा है and it's full. She's clearly a psycho, guys. नीलॉन्स का अचार है और उसने बिल्कुल अचार नहीं खाया.
Another fun trivia. Anurag Kashyap is the writer of the film, of course, and Anurag Kashyap was a very big fan of Anil Kapoor at that time. तो इसलिए 2 references है Anil Kapoor के. And also in the film, Manoj Bajpayee has a dialogue where he looks at Sushant Singh's shoes and says कि अरे जूते बड़े मस्त है, Anil Kapoor लग रहा है. Cut to Anurag Kashyap does AK versus AK with Anil Kapoor, जिसमें there is a shot where Anurag Kashyap is making fun of Anil Kapoor's shoes.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
But the Manoj Bajpayee delivery of that line is very funny when she thinks he's a killer. मैं killer, मेरी माँ तो मुझे अनिल कपूर बुलाती है.
It would be really funny अगर अनिल कपूर का पता चलता वो साल में एक और फिल्म आया जिसमें वो किलर है.
He did My Wife's Murder a few years
later.
But later,
Yeah.
Speaking of Anurag Kashyap calling a character which
this is a very offshoot conversation from Anil Kapoor, पर मैंने अनिल कपूर को एक बार ऑफेंड कर दिया था Q&A में, क्योंकि My Wife's Murder आई थिंक अतुल सब्रवाल ने लिखी थी और अतुल सब्रवाल को उसने वो वैनिटी में था और अतुल सब्रवाल को बोला था कि मैं थोड़ा हैम करता हूँ बिफोर डूइंग अ सीन, कि आई ट्राई टू टेक कि वेयर मैं ये डायलॉग का पिच कहाँ लेके जा सकता हूँ. ठीक है. एंड वंस आई हैम इट आउट कम्प्लीटली आई नो कि मेरे को कौन सा डिग्री पे उसको लेके आना है परफॉर्मेंस वाइज, क्योंकि दिस फिल्म इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय RGV, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू द रेगुलर like what I do in Nayak or Karobar or you know, all those films. So I asked him this question mentioning that incident, and in reply Anil Kapoor ने बस मुझे बोला कि so you think I am?
And?
Man, I'm such a big Anil Kapoor fan और मेरा ऐसा दिल टूटा और फिर कुछ नहीं बोला अनिल कपूर एंड जो भी Q&A कर रहा था इज लाइक सो लेट्स मूव ऑन.
But we don't reply only.
He was crestfallen.
मैं
Why
वही पूछा
does
था
my
उसको कि
hero
सर
think?
आप ये प्रोसेस कहाँ से डिस्कवर किया कि यू हैम इट आउट फर्स्ट एंड देन यू फिगर आउट कि
और
व्हाट
उसी
इज
का
द
डायलॉग
डिग्री.
तो बोल रहा था ना.
हाँ बट आई थिंक पता नहीं वो क्या मूड में थे एंड वो बोला कि सो यू थिंक आई हैम.
I think I was expecting you to reply very soon कि no, but you didn't say anything.
हाँ
You didn't say anything. I
yeah, I
didn't say
also
anything.
didn't, मतलब मेरे को लगा कि अच्छा ये ऐसे आ गया है क्या क्योंकि I
You
was
were not
narrating-
expecting him to question you back.
Yeah, and I was like, well, you don't talk to Anil Kapoor. You ask him a question and चलते बनो बड़ो. Just that man.
उसके बाद हमारे नॉनवेज खाना भी बंद कर दिया कि नहीं हैम गलती से भी नहीं चाहिए.
वो क्या डर
मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे एडिट बन रहा है. अनिल ने वो पूछा cuts back to your face in a दिन था.
Film was shot in 15 days.
Yeah.
Very believable.
Yeah.
And
वो भी लंबा लग रहा है मेरे को बहुत. ये 15 दिन का लिया तो.
Urmila's character does not have a name in the film. In the whole film, she is referred to as ma'am.
You know, I was discussing this. Sorry to cut you off. कि this film is a metaphor for how like Delhi theatre circuit actors are trying to break into a mainstream
Mumbai.
star's house. Like that is also a reading of the film. कि मनोज बाजपेयी सुशांत सिंह दिल्ली से आके अब उर्मिला मातोंडकर के घर में घुसना चाहते हैं और वो फेसबुक पे आता है ना कि फेसबुक पे 25-25 मिनट डाल देते हैं पिक्चर का
Yeah.
और उसके ऊपर ऐसा कैप्शन में लिखा होता है ना कि मनोज बाजपेयी ने की कोशिश उर्मिला मातोंडकर के घर में घुसने की, देखिए अब क्या होता है. I think that is one reading of it.
Yeah. Also the very fact that YouTube के पोस्टर पे भी उन तीनों के करंट डे पिक्चर्स है.
Yeah.
उनके तभी के पोस्टर ही लगा दे यार कौन का. ये क्या थंबनेल है. Okay. Do you have any more trivia? I also have trivia, but I am checking.
Ame, anything you want to add about Con that we didn't touch upon?
I think one house वाला fact I really liked in the film, and I like the fact कि वो play की तरह पूरा लिखा गया है at every point, you know, कि the stone, कि वो, you know, at every point where you are like chasing कि अच्छा there is a killer, but it's a trick question
Right.
जो तुम्हारी तरफ फेंका गया है कि who's the killer, कि he might be but she's the killer,
Yeah.
है ना. तो वो वाला एक आप गेम खेलते हो and it's like a very old trick from the book that he's doing, but technically जो बीच बीच में moments है ना in the rewatch I like them more, कि which is कि you know मैं देखा है पिक्चर पर जब वो बोलता है कि आपका पति ऊपर उठ गया है, then you
That's a
feel
twist.
that
Yeah. What the fuck?
कि ऐसा रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं कि अरे पति ऊपर घूम रहा है कि कोई है, you know, it's that chase of continue. वो मेरे को बहुत सही लगा था कि like the smaller moments how they play out.
Another question I had was, it might be a very silly, like I'm reading too much into it, but if you check the poster of the film, there's Urmila, there is Manoj, there is Sushant, and there is this silhouette of Manoj
Yeah.
Bajpayee.
Yeah.
So then,
Is it Manoj Bajpayee?
we don't know if it is Manoj Bajpayee or not. So like, does it signify the existence of a fourth person? Or like, what is it supposed to be? Or is it
Mr.
supposed
Malhotra
to...
type.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, yeah. See, because Urmila के हाथ में भी बंदूक है in the poster.
Yeah, I think that's what we're meant to understand.
Who do you think, if you had to cast this film, like that's what I was thinking
Recast, हाँ.
today, like who do you want to see playing these characters?
Cliche, but I think Alia Bhatt.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think Alia Bhatt would be able to, because Alia Bhatt's character in Highway could have been a psycho as well.
Yeah.
The innocent psycho. I
Oh,
think
that's nice
she would be very good at playing innocent psychos. I think.
Randeep Hooda को मार दिया.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
Alternate.
And also Alia Bhatt played see again, her character had in Darlings also. She was also like not killing, but she was also torturing.
discovering violence with the
Exactly.
this thing, yeah.
So then I think Alia
Acha,
Bhatt would be a very good choice to play this role. I think she's one of the very few actors in general who will be able to carry a film. अगर कोई और नहीं होता ना तो भी वो अकेले भी 3 घंटे कर लेगी फिल्म.
पर तू किस बेसिस पे आलिया बोली, like
Innocent
is it
psycho.
like you want, okay, like you won't trust that she's the killer kind of.
Innocent psycho. She can play that role very well. in the role of Manoj Bajpayee, I think Rajkumar Rao. Very good. I think Rajkumar Rao can. I think any role that Manoj Bajpayee has done, Rajkumar Rao can play that.
मनोज
same role.
वाजपेयी का रोल आज भी
मनोज वाजपेयी कर सकते हैं.
That's, but very old ना. The age difference बहुत.
I didn't think like he's that old also.
doesn't look. That's what I'm saying. Manoj Bajpayee has aged really well.
Yeah, Manoj Bajpayee, he's become now Mr. Malhotra's age.
That can be an Easter egg.
Rajkumar Rao turns the body.
and it's Manoj Bajpayee. Yeah.
I think Sushant Singh की जगह maybe somebody like Siddhant Chaturvedi. But then in this case, Siddhant Chaturvedi should play the scaredy cat.
But he's
like change the character a little and show that this ये सच में पुलिस है और ये डरा हुआ है कि इसकी गांड फटी हुई है इन दोनों से और वो अपनी गांड छुपाने का कोशिश कर रहा है. आई थिंक दैट वुड मेक इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इफ यू नो वन ऑफ दीज. इन तीनों में से किसी का तो ओरिजिन चाहिए मुझे ये फिल्म में.
I would cast instead of Pankaj Bajpayee, I would
Cast Pankaj Tripathi. in
Pankaj
that role.
Tripathi?
Yeah. अरे जरा दरवाजा तो खोल दीजिए.
फिर तो
जरा
पंकज
दरवाजा
त्रिपाठी
खोल
ही
दे.
किलर है. पंकज
मैम
is there.
ये चीज वीगन है ना मैम.
थोड़ा टीवी देख लेते तो मजा.
थोड़ा अगर टीवी का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दीजिए हम भी पॉडकास्ट सुनेंगे. हैज इट एज्ड वेल? वाह.
This is 3-4. This film.
I was thinking if they make a third Stree, will they call it Stritiya or Stree? No?
Three.
Two,
Nice.
three.
You're too
Three.
fast and too furious. That's good.
Nice. Yeah.
cool. I think we've
सुशांत सिंह के रोल में you didn't suggest anything.
Man, मेरे को वो like I would like to see like Abhishek Banerjee.
Abhishek Banerjee, yeah, that's what even I
That's what I
thought.
saw.
Yeah.
मतलब
ये क्या है? ये recency, law of recency effect पे ही तो हम
हाँ,
चल रहे हैं.
वही,
जो
वही.
actors
Yeah, I
हम
haven't
देखते हैं
seen
उन्हीं पे
Stree
हम
2
comment
yet, so
कर रहे
yeah.
हैं.
Yeah.
I think Sharwari also can play. Sharwari
Urmila?
Bagha. Yeah.
Yeah, I think a Marathi should replace the Marathi star cast. I think that's also reading of the film that like
People trying to
outsider are
coming
entering into
inside.
Maharashtrian's house. That's the reading of Con.
But the Maharashtrian turns out to be the
Yeah.
killer. And earlier in the episode you said that Urmila has joined a particular.
It's a reading,
Yeah.
guys. He's a teacher.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do the categories. Ameya from
Con in 1999. What do you think has aged the best and what do you think has not aged so well?
What has not aged well is the design of the house.
Okay.
Okay, which I thought कि
In what
इनको
sense?
ऐसा ही इनको घर मिला और ये लोग बोले कि अभी इसमें ही शूट करो भाई, एक भी पैसा नहीं लगाने का है अपने को, और खाली वो जो पुतला खड़ा ना उधर उसके इसमें भाला डाल दो. जो एक तो डिटैचेबल भाला किधर है? कौन सा ये बोलते हैं कि सर ये पुतला आप ले लो घर में स्टैचू, ये इसमें डिटैचेबल भाला है. एंड दैट
There is that one point in the movie ना, I think जब लाइट चली जाती है where he's just shooting all the statues in the house.
Yeah. That's fun, but कुछ details of the house, like even the teddy bear, like it's the most redundant teddy bear.
That's a very good point. Where there is a shot जब ये सब statues दिखा रहे होते हैं. So ये मैंने देखा हुआ है. Usually movies में तब दिखाते थे, पुरानी movies में, जब भी some unhoni is happening in the house and nobody is witness to it. Then they show statues के चेहरे कि बाबा statues नहीं देखा सिर्फ और किसी ने नहीं देखा.
दीवारों के भी.
हाँ.
Yeah. और
मेरा
statues.
दीवार का मेरा फेवरेट डायलॉग है कि लिफ्ट के दीवारों के कान नहीं होते. Oh man, what a dialogue.
Single-handedly.
He's like तुम ये लिफ्ट में क्यों घुस गए? क्योंकि मैंने सुना है लिफ्ट के दीवारों के कान नहीं होते.
Yeah, guys, we've also seen the Salim Javed documentary just now, so that's
Yes.
a recency bias.
What do you think?
Has aged well from Con.
I think the screenplay has aged very well. जो मेरे को लगा कि पूरा play type का एक structure है, because when मतलब अनुराग sir came to Mumbai in the beginning, he wrote a lot of plays and all of
Right.
that. So
Yeah,
I think and like just reading crime books and all of that. So it's very pulpy in this thing. Like I wanted to watch it and be like कि मैं थोड़ा intellectual बनता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा ऐसा एक वो reading लेके आऊँगा कि you know it's a flip on damsel in distress, Hitchcock की औरत, oh भाई. And but I was like कि it's just so pulpy.
Yeah.
The whole fact कि there's a killer on the loose. And like that it's not signpost to murder because it's the flip of signpost to murder कि वो है ही नहीं वो वाली चीज़.
Yeah.
Rajita, for you? What's
Is the best or what hasn't aged well?
What's aged the best? I think that last look of Urmila's, because the entire film is dependent on that last look. अगर उर्मिला मातोंडकर अपना कैरेक्टर अच्छे से नहीं निभाती, देयर इज नो मूवी. मूवी है ही नहीं, फिर तुम क्या दिखा रहे हो? एंड व्हाट हैजंट एज्ड, आई थिंक मल्टीपल थिंग्स. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैजंट एज्ड वेल इज जस्ट आई थिंक काफ़ी चीज़ें स्ट्रेच की गई है. लाइक इवन दैट लास्ट सेक्शन जब भी उर्मिला रिवील होता है उर्मिला है, आई थिंक immediately she should have killed Manoj.
That's true, yeah.
वो जो
It goes on
struggle,
for
वो
like 20
tussle,
minutes,
हाँ वो
yeah.
tussle दिखा है
Yeah.
ना, because that actually it took away the charm.
ओके
वो अगर इमीडिएटली वो मारती ना, आई फील इट वुड हैव बीन वे मोर इम्पैक्टफुल.
पर उसमें बोला था ना कि she uses a rope to
Yeah,
strangle
yeah,
this
yeah.
thing. तो do you think it's her first knife murder? पता नहीं, पर मल्होत्रा के भी पीठ पे वो छुरी का वो
हाँ,
खून का
another
निशान
thing,
थे.
if she is the murderer, which you guys are claiming her to be, I don't think she is that murderer. Then वो रोप से क्यों नहीं उसने मारा? क्योंकि कोई तो चीज़ बताओ हमें कि जिससे पता चले ये वो मर्डर है.
Maybe she deliberately lets that rumor.
स्टार्ट, ताकि लोगों को लगे कि वो
ए अभी तुम कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, ये क्या है? हर एक चीज़ के लिए तुम्हारे पास रीज़न है, ये ऐसा तो नहीं चलता है यार, कुछ तो चाहिए ना, तो दिया ही क्यों फिर ये हिंट हमें?
yeah, they don't close that loop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't close that noose.
Abbas agreed to this one point only so that he could crack that pun. Let this be documented.
If you think she's not the serial killer, then she's just this separate killer who's parallelly committing crimes.
What if उर्मिला मातोंडकर जब भी छोटी थी तभी उसके अमीर माँ बाप उसको छोड़ के चले गए, and now she doesn't know, she is still stuck in that age, so it is her way of trying to deal with the trauma. Like of course now how she has tried to fend for herself in all these years, that is a thing that we can discuss for the sequel. But I think this could also be a theory.
Maybe, yeah.
कि
That's,
वो जानबूझ के बंगले वाले ही घर में जाती क्योंकि वो बचपन में अमीर थी and all that.
Exactly. वही घर में, हाँ, which is why like if you think about it, जितने भी सारे sculptures है घर में वो सारे पुराने ज़माने के.
Yeah.
So and also honestly in no way does it feel like this is not her house. I don't get that vibe.
that's
at
what
all.
I'm like, she's so comfortable with the surroundings
Yeah,
and everything. With the
it-
cat also.
Exactly. It doesn't
yeah.
feel like it's not her house. So for me that's very difficult to believe कि कल परसों यहाँ पे आई है वो नहीं.
So then, what did you think she was related to?
Yes. उसका I don't think she's related to Malhotra. I think that this is her house only and she has been living here since a long time. I feel okay if you were to get into it, maybe once she grew up, people try to take over the house.
But then who's the guy who's
This
dead
is like the
upstairs?
prequel to
तो
Makdi
जब
or
भी
something.
हाँ नहीं तो जो भी घर उसका मतलब वो हड़पने आता है वो उसको मार देती है. So now people just stay away from the house thinking that ये crazy lady यहाँ पे रहती है.
But then why did the other guy come asking for Malhotra?
उसको
अरे
पता
मल्होत्रा
नहीं
का घर है
ना.
ना.
But she's
क्योंकि सब
saying it's
मल्होत्रा
not
को-
Malhotra's house.
आई एम सेइंग ठीक है चल वो है मल्होत्रा. मिस्टर मल्होत्रा शायद उसके पापा रहेंगे या कुछ तो सीन रहेगा. आई फील लाइक
इसीलिए मम्मी को कॉल कर रही है पापा को मार दिया.
या
और फिर बाप को फ्रेश मारा है फिर अगर द बॉडी स्टिल.
पापा को मार दिया.
नहीं वो पापा है ही नहीं, पापा मर गए.
Stick to one story. Anyway,
I
for
think
me,
Urjita's theory is another film.
what age the best? I agree with Amaya. I think the screenplay. I think I
I
love.
love that it's 90 minutes, it's tight, it drops twists at regular intervals. Performances I think are really great.
Oh.
Considering it's just
Three people throughout the movie. I think they do more of the heavy lifting. What hasn't aged well, I think, like I said, the complete switch in Urmila's character at the end. I would have liked if they'd given some trigger or some backstory maybe. And it,
a little problematic portrayal of a person going through mental health problems. Like the twist is that she's mad. That's
all you have to just go off believing.
I mean
So, yeah.
considering the mental health discourse hasn't gotten any better.
I think if you
into
make
it.
of this same thing today, it will, at least some people will point it out. Okay, give
Fair.
us some justification of this. So that, but I think that
twist as a twist works. I think I was bowled away by it back then. I think it still is shocking. So that
Oh yeah, it's one of those films where you're like कि अरे आपको ही मतलब फिल्म यूट्यूबर्स नहीं करता
Ending
करते
explained.
कि अगर आपको देखनी है एक तगड़े ट्विस्ट वाली पिक्चर तो आप सबसे पहले जाके देखिए राम गोपाल वर्मा की कौन. जी हाँ दोस्तों, अनुराग कश्यप जब पेन और पेपर से लिखा करते थे तब की ये पिक्चर. लाइक ऑल ऑफ दैट डिस्कोर्स दैट दे डू.
it's a great
impersonation of
Yeah. दोस्तों मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस फिल्म का कोई भी ट्रेलर या इसके बारे में कोई भी फालतू का एक्सप्लेनेशन मत पढ़िए.
बिल्कुल ब्लाइंड जाइए.
अरे उसमें एक फिल्म यूट्यूबर उसमें एक शॉर्ट है उसमें वो बोलती है कि आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस फिल्म गॉट ग्रीन लाइट. आई एम लाइक तब ग्रीन लाइट नहीं था. तब एक सिंधी को पोपट बनाने का रहता था और उसके पैसा निकाल लेने को रहता था.
If you have to program a double feature with Con, which one?
A
would
double
you?
feature with Con. If I have two answers.
Yeah.
One would be एक हसीना थी.
Oh nice.
एक हसीना थी and Con, which is Ek Hasina Thi is where she's not insane, but like she's a character, full-fledged character who goes mad because
Dolly is insane
What-
in that film.
yeah.
Dolly is insane.
Oh
in that
man,
film.
Dolly is insane.
Yeah.
And which is the other one?
Ek Hasina Thi, and I think Madhumati थोड़ा सा.
हैं?
Nice.
Why?
Kumar Madhumati.
हाँ कि the coming into the house and you know
अच्छा,
discovering the past
What
and all
is
of
real,
that.
what is not?
तो लाइक मेरे को ही पसंद है कि जब लोग कुछ अच्छा पिक्चर देखते हैं ना कि ये अच्छा पेसिंग है तो मैं थोड़ा स्लो पेसिंग में लेके चला जाता हूँ डबल फिल्म में कि अब ये भी देख साले.
Great, good
Like
chat.
that kind of.
Yes.
Ujita, for you, double feature.
Double feature. I was also thinking of Ek Hasina Thi, and if not that, then I think Bhoot.
That was also my answer. I'm like
Yeah.
Urmila stuck in a creepy house, getting scared.
Yes.
I mean, the same premise for both the movies. But RGV, yeah, I think
If I had to be different, if I had to give another, I would probably say Rangila because the Urmila RGV iconic
pairing starts there, and it's a completely different film than
From Thumbs Up to Horlicks.
also a film with no songs to a film with the most iconic songs. So that is also this thing. And finally, Ameya, if you
I
had
think
to rate-
Rangila's that song we can put in like those lines we can put in con. बोले मैं बच्चा हूँ. उर्मिला is singing.
और आदित्य नारायण
आदित्य नारायण का जो भी उसमें एक फ्रेज था वो पूरा उर्मिला को दे
बोले
दो.
मैं अच्छा हूँ. Horlicks बोले मैं अच्छा हूँ. क्या सबने सोचा मैं बच्चा हूँ.
That time you didn't have to pay royalty.
royalty award to brands if you took their name in this song.
I don't
You have
think.
to pay royalty.
I mean, now of course you have to if you take their name.
Oh
in
मेरे को
the
तो ये भी नहीं पता.
I don't think you have to pay because झंडू बाम जब भी यूज़ किया था तो झंडू बाम ने उनको पैसे दिए थे क्योंकि उनके सेल्स बढ़ गए थे सिंस मुन्नी बदनाम.
झंडूबाम ने दबंग वालों को पैसे दिए थे. Oh.
And then which is
And
why
then
They
they
used that song also in one of their promos. I think.
Oh, and that's why in second they were like Fevicol se.
yeah Fevicol I don't think
Wow,
paid
man.
anything. Yeah.
That's just like item song में integration is
Yeah.
very-
Yeah.
On a has it aged well scale from 1 to 10, 1 being hasn't aged well at all, product of its time, 10 being you find something new every time you watch it, how much would you rate?
I would give Con a good 8
Nice.
because it's a good revisit to see how RGB did
Used to
things.
be.
Yeah, how RGB perceived scripts और
Correct.
मजा करता था पिक्चर
Yeah.
में. तो I would give it a 8.
Nice. Urjita, for you?
On a rewatchability or
Yeah.
has it aged well?
Both.
Both. अरे
You can
rewatchability.
give
Different skills.
Rewatchability scale I think 6. क्योंकि once you know what happens in the end, you can only watch it so many times to figure because है नहीं है मतलब कुछ चीज़ें they don't really add up and we have already discussed them in the episode.
But do you not
So-
enjoy Manoj Bajpayee's performance? Just
I love
कि
it.
Him
It's
dancing to
nice,
Gurna
yeah.
list
इसलिए वो
बिठा
6 लिया है ना मैंने उर्मिला और मनोज दोनों के परफॉर्मेंस का मिला के. But has it aged well scale I think 7.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for rewatchability, you said 6.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, not bad. For me, has it aged I think 7. Like I said, everything like it's great to revisit how RGB and Anurag Kashyap in their formative years.
मैंने
did this.
7.5 दिया because most things did not align with me और अब्बास ने 7 दिया because most things aligned with him. That's the difference.
Rewatchability also I think I can give a 7. I think it's a very rewatchable film. I never got bored. I thought it was very watchable. So yeah, so 8, 7.5, 7, not a bad round. That was Con from 1999. Let's quickly do the alternate segment.
Okay, so this is the alternate ending segment where we suggest an ending to other than
The way the film ended. This film, of course, had a very controversial and polarizing but popular ending. Or we can pitch a sequel or a prequel to Con. So, Ameya, if RGV came to you and you started removing your shoes and you were like, put your shoes back.
आपके लिए मैं चप्पल पहन के आया हूँ सर.
and he said that he's re-releasing Con with a new
Then he says हाथ दो.
RGB is उल्टा of that Pakiza line कि पैर नीचे रखना मैले हो जाएंगे. Yes, प्लीज पैर नीचे रखो मैले हो जाएंगे.
और रगड़िए पैर.
मेरी
Anyway.
जांग पे रखो मैले नहीं होंगे. Shit, I am a creepy man.
but उनको भी पसंद आया.
Yeah.
Something.
But in the movie, originally, of course, Urmila turns out to be the killer, and we are led to believe that more people will come in the house and she'll end up killing them. But if you had to give an alternate ending, what would you?
I would like, मैं वही सोच रहा था कि मैं कल ही while watching it when she didn't say that we need an alternative ending, I really wanted like her to get in a good romance with like Sushant Singh Rajput. And like
Rajput नहीं,
sorry,
Sushant
not Rajput,
Singh.
sorry, Sushant
That
Singh.
line again.
Yeah. I just really wanted her to, you know, get into a romance. Like when he saves, like he kills Manoj Bajpayee,
Right.
it like we realize that he knows that she is the killer, and maybe the sequel can be like a couple on the run, killing now. Like they really use the house well.
Look like they both were together since the beginning.
Yeah, like they are a serial killer couple who like in the sequel can like fight about like toilet seat ऊपर क्यों ना. But it's like a good like Joker 2 जो अभी कर रहा है. We could like just go in that direction.
Yeah, and it also makes sense because as the woman in this couple, वो ही सब साफ कर रही है बेचारी.
खून भी साफ कर रही है, body भी साफ
Yeah.
कर रही है. Do you have an alternate ending?
I was thinking
You've
that
already, by the way, given
काफी-
two theories.
हाँ, theories
Yeah,
मैंने दे
two
दिए. So मेरा alternate ending actually वही था that we later find out her backstory. कि maybe her parents left her in the very beginning. काफी मतलब उसको या तो मतलब मर गए या तो कुछ हो गया या तो वो
Right.
छोड़ के ही चले गए. So there has to be a reason behind her being insane and her killing everybody who comes.
Actually, now that I think about it, if the film had ended like that, then it would then
The shock value would take away a little bit from the shock value, because then you're justifying her being the
Yeah.
killer. Then
the audience goes back thinking, हाँ अच्छा इसलिए मारती थी बेचारी. Whereas us being with her throughout the film and then suddenly realizing, oh fuck, she was the killer all along.
नहीं ये एंड में क्रेडिट्स रोल के टाइम दिखाओ ना जो ओरिजिनल प्लान उनका था.
So the original plan was that they just say what.
So हाँ बट देन ये because see honestly for me भूल भुलैया what made it way more fun was this Vidya Balan's backstory. So I feel like that made it way more fun for me. So I feel like ऐसा अगर कुछ backstory हो then the mental illness का thing would have also been justified.
I would have liked Akshay Kumar in the Bhool Bhulaiya character coming in Con and giving us.
that should be him in every movie. Just come and gives the backstory.
Nice.
I have a sequel idea. Same house.
25 years later now. Now it has actually become like that cursed house that nobody
मकड़ी
goes
के घर
into.
के
हाँ,
type, हाँ.
कि यहाँ कोई नहीं जाता क्योंकि यहाँ पे 25 साल पहले ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था. And then with the recasting that we did of Alia, Rajkumar Rao and Abhishek Banerjee,
Alia Bhatt has come to see the house. Like बॉम्बे में ऐसा घर कहाँ मिलता है? क्या
Yeah.
25 साल पहले हुआ था जो भी हुआ था.
Yeah.
so you can add the haunted element also now that she thinks she's being haunted by Urmila's ghost or whatever, Malhotra's ghost. And on top of that, it's another night where it's raining heavily, everything is cut off, cell phone networks are down, and this eccentric Rajkumar Rao character
Shows up on her doorstep like 25
Yeah.
years. She's like, fuck, is history repeating itself? That would be my premise.
for a sequel.
Yeah.
Con
Oh,
two.
and I think the twist in the film could be that somebody else comes in and actually Alia Bhatt को पता चलता है actual story क्या थी, that Urmila was always the victim. She was
Okay,
the
okay, Urjita.
Sorry.
Fine, we'll do the backstory.
Urmila ऐसे podcast record करके गई है अपने recorder में. देखो मेरे साथ ऐसा
Yeah.
ऐसा
Now Alia, in an attempt to actually clear Urmila's name, she becomes so obsessed with her story that she becomes insane.
Oh.
Yeah.
And we call this only murders in mud bungalow.
कौन थी वो?
Only
Question
murders in
mark.
Madgaon.
Only murders in Madgaon. And they really chose Panvel. They are like ये
Yeah,
दूर है
yeah.
मुंबई से और पता है लोगों को.
Dude, RGV's obsession with Navi Mumbai was seen in Rangila also. There is a CBD Belapur station
Should
के
be,
बाहर
yeah.
नाच रहे हैं ये लोग.
Wait, he asked कि तू किधर का police officer है? He says Panvel, right? Are we told
Yeah,
they
yeah.
are in Panvel?
मतलब I suppose it's Panvel then.
अच्छा, okay, I don't know. Okay, maybe. Believable.
Yeah.
isolated.
Candyman बोले मैं अच्छा हूँ.
Cool. That brings us to the end of this show. Amya.
Thank you so much for taking
Thank
time
you
out
so much for calling
of
me,
your
guys.
busy schedule and doing
Yeah.
this. Anything you've done, where can people find you? Anything you want to plug? Please go ahead.
I have nothing to plug, guys, as of now. But please watch more films. And I was actually for the first time, Urjita asked me कौन सी फिल्म पे करना है तेरे को ये एपिसोड. And I was like इस रात की सुबह नहीं पे करते हैं. And she's like कि थोड़ा mainstream ले ले. Like,
What's the last really good film that you saw that you'd like to recommend?
last really good film that I saw.
Can be any language.
Man, I don't remember, but I think Manjumel Boys I keep rewatching since I've seen it's released this year only. It's,
I thought कि एक बार you know
Yeah.
what happens in the movie. Does it
oh
work?
no, I really
Is it
like rewatching it because
Okay.
मेरे को वो पूरा वो मतलब
The rescue.
टग रोप का पे ऑफ और वो सब मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा था.
Kanmani.
Oh man, it's
Fucking
just-
nail.
Maharaja was really nice. I like Maharaja.
Maharaja was nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's also कि अगर आपको तगड़ा ट्विस्ट देखना है it's one of those. तो ये देखिए फिल्म महाराजा, ये तमिल में भी है पर विजय सेतुपति ने क्योंकि फर्जी में हिंदी बोली थी तो उन्होंने हिंदी में भी डब किया है दोस्तों. तो it's
मेरी क्रिसमस में भी तो हिंदी बोली थी.
yeah.
दोस्तों इसमें मशहूर प्रख्यात डायरेक्टर अनुराग कश्यप भी है दोस्तों.
उन्हें क्योंकि यहाँ पे फिल्म बनाने नहीं मिल रही तो वो तमिल में जाके एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं आजकल.
वीडियो would start with आप जानना चाहते हैं अनुराग कश्यप ने फिल्म बनाना क्यों बंद किया? क्योंकि वो एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं.
एंड दे हैव थंबनेल्स लाइक अनुराग कश्यप ने 2 दिन में सीखी तमिल. नहीं सीखी तमिल, कोई और डब किया.
Urjita, where can people find you? Please tell us.
You guys can find me in my home, but you guys can find me on.
Alone?
Oh well.
Ting, ting.
no, I don't do movies. You guys can follow me on Instagram @Urjitavani. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, which goes by the same username. Come for my live shows. I'm on my tour right now. I'm coming to Gujarat next month. Please come.
Nice. You want to give out your social media handles?
Oh yeah, my social media handle is @Trial Deshpande. Please follow me if you want more movie recommendations. Like कि मैंने शोला और शबनम देखी. Like ऐसा शोला और शबनम मैंने
फिर से आते हैं as it is well के लिए.
Also, if you think about it, इस रात की सुबह ना हो, the film that you wanted to do, technically is the description of Con.
इस रात की सुबह नहीं, not
Yeah.
ना हो.
Yeah.
Can you plug your social media handles as Sudhir Mishra?
देखो मेरा @Trial Deshpande तुमको फॉलो करना है करो क्योंकि यू नो द सोशल कैपिटल इज हाउ मेनी फॉलोअर्स यू हैव. अदर देन दैट देयर इज नथिंग. कुछ टाइम में यही होगा कि भाई तेरे को 1000 लोग जानते हैं, मेरे को 10,000 लोग जानते हैं, पर दोस्त कितने तेरे? तू कॉल किसको करेगा रात को? सोच थोड़ा उसके बारे में भाई.
Amazing. And you can
Lovely.
follow me on Twitter
Yeah.
@AbbasMomin and on Instagram as AbbasMomin88. That was our episode. One last time, if you're watching us on YouTube, hit the subscribe button on the IVM Pop YouTube channel. Share this video with anyone who you think will enjoy it, and press the like button. And that was it. We'll see you next week with a new movie and a new guest. Till then, bye-bye.